All right, so I think I may have found a middle ground because your widget content is kind of enmeshed with everything, so we can't really avoid using it to some extent. So instead, I did this. This is just a basic page, and it'll show up at every page. And you can go through here and essentially add resource groups. And you can add as many groups as you want. You give them a name. That's essentially the title that goes above the little widget piece. And then each one can have as many items as you want. And an item is composed of a title, a description, and a URL. And you can do bolding and some basic stuff there too if you need to. Um, so just to show you how to add one, I'm going to go down here to group 2. It's only got one item right now. I'm just going to say add item. And I'll say group 2 item number 2. I can give it some content. I can give it a link URL. Right. So these things are nice too because you can collapse them. I can collapse these so I'll just be seeing their titles. And then it can be easy to drag them and reorder them. So you can do that sort of stuff. You can do the same thing with the groups. So that kind of keeps things from getting too out of hand in terms of complexity. So, and then you can re-expand them. And then you just hit update. And let me show you where this is on the widgets. So I added another advanced text widget. The difference here, you can do all the normal stuff with styles, but the content is just resources as a short code. That's what those square brackets mean. And it gives us this. So we've got our group title, our little widget gear icon divider, and then our pieces that expand. I also went through, and if you look at in the HTML, it says with the ARIA label where the link is going to go, so we don't have to worry about that kind of duplicate text issue. So this may be a better path, it may be a more consistent path. This was done fairly quickly, so I look forward to hearing kind of what you think